are you doing?
Hey guys, look at this tweet from Donald Trump. It says that global warming is a hoax and anything on social media is true.
No. While he may be our future president, he may not always be right. If you look around, you'll clearly see the effects of climate change.
Yeah. For example, look at our oceans. Global sea level rose about 17 centimeters in the last century. The rate in the last decade, however, is nearly double that. This is because the Greenland and Antarctic ice sheets have decreased in mass and they have melted due to the increased heat.
California is another example. They have been experiencing droughts yearly. The number of record high temperature events in the United States has been increasing since 1950. Our winters are getting warmer as well. It is imperative that you understand that the average temperature is increasing even though some regions may not be experiencing these effects.
I still don't believe you. Compared to Mr. Trump, global warming was created by China to make U.S. manufacturing non-competitive. As you can see from this tweet here, the concept of global warming was created by and for the Chinese in order to make U.S. manufacturing non-competitive.
While both the extent and thickness of ice in the Arctic Sea has declined rapidly over the last several decades, glaciers are retreating almost everywhere around the world, including in the Alps, Himalayas, Andes, Rockies, and locations in Alaska and Africa. This is causing a large disruption in the ecosystem as well. Many organisms thrive on specific climate, and if it is changing so rapidly, there is too much of a struggle to survive, therefore causing many species to face extinction. If we don't fix global warming, more than a third of the Earth's animal and plant species will face extinction by 2050.
Well, this sounds serious. I guess maybe I was wrong. I thought these weather signs were just natural fluctuations and go back to normal. But why is this happening? Donald Trump!
China.
I'm so glad you asked. See, many people are like you and had their doubts on global warming. But we're here to tell you it's real. Skeptics may say a few glaciers today receding is not proof of global warming. Glaciers have grown and receded differently throughout time and in various locations, so it will all be back to normal in a couple of years. Or they'll say the warming is caused by a more active sun. However, these claims are wrong.
Yup, that's right, Kevin. 97% of scientists agree, including us, that it is real, based on data. If the warming was caused by more active sun, then scientists would expect to see warmer temperatures in all layers of the atmosphere. Instead, they observed a cooling in the upper atmosphere and a warming at the surface and the lower parts of the atmosphere. Also, the average amount of energy coming from the sun either remained constant or increased slightly.
Yikes! How does global warming work?
CO2 and other heat-trapping gases, such as water vapor, N2O, CH4, in the atmosphere have warmed the Earth by creating greenhouse gas effect.
Right, and this effect refers to the circumstances where the short wavelengths of visible light from the sun pass through the transparent medium and is absorbed. But the longer wavelengths of the infrared radiation of the heated objects are unable to pass through that medium. This causes trapped radiation, leading to increase in heat.
I guess this is really serious after all. What can we do about it?
If we stopped emitting greenhouse gases today, global warming would still continue to happen for at least several more decades, if not centuries. That's because it takes a while for the planet, for example the ocean, to respond, and because carbon dioxide, the predominant heat-trapping gas, lingers in the atmosphere for hundreds of years.
However, we may not be ruined yet. If we are going to try to fix our mistake, we need to limit our emissions as well as adapt to our current climate change we have set in motion.
I agree. We need to begin to fix our climate now, before it is too late. As the American Association for the Advancement of Science said, the scientific evidence is clear. Global climate change caused by human activities is occurring now and is a growing threat to society.
What do you say against that, Mr. Trump?
Wrong. Your argument is false.
My vagina.